1, 2, 3, 4. Darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Please stand by me. When the night. Hey, what's up, guys? Super cool campfire song, Stand By Me, Benny King. Pretty nice chords and very simple strumming. This is an easy one, and it's very nice, beginner friendly. Actually, absolutely beginner friendly, if you ask me, I think. And it's just got one chord progression looping the whole time. The chords change a little bit fast, but not too fast, and they just keep the same tempo. So once you have it, you got the whole song. Okay, I included the chords here in the PDF. You can quickly look at that if you want to get that. I just use this G. I use this one as well. Maybe you can. And then you can do the descending bass line going, which we've been learning with the campfire course. And then you can play C, D, really nice, D7 instead of the D. So you could use any one of those. In the key of G, you can just interchange D and D7, especially if you're playing folk music. Really sounds nice. Now this is the structure of the song. You got 2 strumming patterns on G, 2 on E minor, 1 on C, 1 on D, 2 on G. And you repeat that on throughout the song. The strumming pattern is simple. It's just your standard folk strumming. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You can vary that, add some up strums there. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, digga, digga, digga. Something like that. If you want, but I would just stick with the plain strumming. This song is better played simple. So I'm just going to play the first verse for you with the lyrics up, and you can play along with me if you want. Let's just do it. 1, 2, intro. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, capo 2 with this song if you want to play with the original. So let's take a capo, put it on the 2nd fret if you want to play with the original. Okay. 1, 2, 3. D minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, C, down, up, D, down, down. When the night has come, yeah, and the land is dark, and alone is the only I will see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't shed a tear. Be afraid just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble into the sea, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Sweet, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy this campfire guitar course and stay cool. Peace out. Stop.